In this lesson, we're going to learn about properties of a kite. So I'm going to go through them individually in detail. So a kite is a quadrilateral with two pairs of sides that are congruent and adjacent. And I'm just going to list all the properties, and then I will redraw this kite and point out each individual property on the kite. Okay? So congruent means sides are the same length. Okay? So two pairs of sides that are congruent, or two pairs of sides that are the same length, and they have to be adjacent to each other. Also now the diagonals are perpendicular to each other. A kite has symmetry across its longer diagonal. And one pair of opposite angles, those between the sides of unequal length, are equal. So let's take a look at this. Okay, so here's a quadrilateral, four sides. It means four sides. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's one set of congruent pairs right here. These two are equal to each other. Okay, same length. This is the second set of congruent pairs. This indicates that these two are equal to each other. Now we could take a look at the fact that these congruent pairs are adjacent to each other. So the lengths are attached to each other, okay, both of them. And then we can see that the diagonals cross at 90 degrees. They're perpendicular, okay? And also a kite has symmetry across its longer diagonal. So you could see that this side is exactly the same as this side. So if we were to fold this together, it would just be perfectly on top of itself. And then one pair of opposite angles, those between the sides of unequal length, are equal. So these two sides are of unequal length. These two angles are equal. Okay, you could see that these angles here are not equal. This one is bigger, this one is smaller, but these ones are exactly the same. And those are the properties of a kite. Now, there's one more thing I wanted to show you. Is this a kite? So the way you could tell if it's a kite or not is no, because its adjacent sides are not congruent. So you could tell this side is not the same as this one. And then this one is not the same as this one. This one's a bit shorter, this one's longer. So this is not a kite. A kite looks like this, okay, with these properties. And that's it for that lesson. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video as well. What would be good if you could download the ebook for this one, because in the ebook you could keep these notes with you and have them all the time, and you could always take a look at them when you need to. There's a link in the description. You can download the ebook and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch this video. There's a link in there that'll take you right to this video. If you need extra help, I also have other videos in the description. You can check out those links and go to those videos and listen to those. And please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for listening.